Hey, it's Brandon from Blazetech, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all. Well, now it's like 110 people who have subscribed to the channel, but thank you for like a week or two ago. I hit 100 subscribers on the channel, and I know that maybe 96-97% of people came from the, I guess, quote unquote viral video about the Bluetooth dongle, about this device, right? About that one. But no, I'm not bothered by that. I'm thankful that people have the incentive and courtesy to subscribe to the channel. Like, it generally means a lot to me. I also want to say I'm sorry for the bad lighting. It's a poo-poo light, and I can't afford good lights, and it's currently 9:03 p.m. and I look like a panda. But no, other than that, I just want to thank all 112 people that have subscribed to the channel, whether it's you just watched 1 second of my videos or you watched like an hour or just anything like low level to high level. Just thank you genuinely from the bottom of my heart. And I just feel bad, and I feel bad that that this video is like a week or two late. I've been highly procrastinating on making this video and just uploading to Blazetech on a consistent basis. Main reason isn't because I don't know what to do. That was my watch. It's more because I know what I want to do, just I can't afford what I want to do. Mainly because I don't earn that much money in general. Like, yes, I've got a business and all that stuff, but it's not generating enough money to the point where I can just go and buy what I want. But I've got some money. I'm not dead broke. I just am not so great with my money. If that makes any sense at all. But I've just been very busy as well, because I've been doing like 50-hour work weeks, and I work in like a distribution company, and since it's near Christmas, I probably won't upload another video until probably after New Year's. So I just want to say thank you to everyone, old or new or upcoming. Merry Christmas, hope it's good, and Happy Hanukkah if you do Hanukkah, as well as I hope your New Year's goes well, and that if you have New Year's resolutions, best of luck with them. But yeah, like I said before, I've got stuff I want to upload, just I can't afford it, and I'm kind of hating myself for not being consistent, just doing like one video a week on Fridays or Saturdays if I'm a little bit late. And it's like, oh, Brandon, you're slacking. It was like, whoops, I'm sorry. But no, that's self-annoyance. I don't know why I'm complaining about that, but it just puts a bad image in my head of the channel. But no, I want to get to weekly uploads and stuff, and hopefully it'll work out. I'm probably not gonna edit this video just because I want raw footage. I don't even know like how many people are actually gonna watch the whole thing. Probably not that many people. Probably people are gonna like click off maybe like halfway through or something like that. I just spat my hand. That's not okay. But no, I'm gonna try to make this video like 8 minutes long, just because of like YouTube ads and stuff. And I'm trying to like increase my, what's it called, my monetization thing, where you need like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm a quarter way there, which is good. I'm up to 1,000 watch hours, but we need more subscribers, and I know that's gonna be a big patience thing. But I'm not necessarily bothered, because I know things are going up and up slowly, especially thanks to this little dongle video that I made, because like I said, 97% of you came from that, which I totally don't mind. And yeah, no, just once again, I just want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. Next time I make a subscriber video, hopefully it's at 500, then 1,000, then 5,000, or nah, 2,500, then 5,000, then 10,000, and from there I can do 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 100,000. I don't know if I get the channel honestly up to 10,000. I don't know. I just have a lot of self-doubt in anything I do, which is not good. I strive a lot to do many things, but at the same time, in the back of my head, I'm just like, Brandon, this is totally pointless. What are you doing? It's just low self-esteem regarding that stuff, regarding my job, regarding YouTube, regarding my business. I work hard on many things, and I try to not let self-doubt get in the way too bad. Especially my speech impediment. Fun fact about me, I have a speech impediment, which you may or may not have noticed, but no, that's a legitimate thing I have, and I probably had it since the first time I started talking English, but you know, oh well, I can't change it. It's in my brain. I can't just be like, oh, speech impediment, take that out, far away. Things like that don't work. As much as I wish they did, they just don't. But no, other than that, we're getting to the 7-minute mark, and I'm just trying to ramble on. But I don't know who's going to watch this entire video, but I just want you guys to take the main point out, that I'm thanking every single one of you. It may or may not seem like it, but I truly am. Yeah, it means a lot to me. I enjoy reading comments. Even to people that insult me, it's like, I wonder why you said that. I wonder why that sort of perspective you had on, I don't know, that video or that editing style or something like that. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some diligent, I think that's a word, hate on this video, because I'm probably not going to edit it. And it's got bad lighting, and I look just like a panda with my baggy eyes, because by this time I'm extremely tired. Even though I get my sleep and my vitamins and I eat, I'm just 24/7 tired. I won't know why, but I am. But yeah, no, other than that, it's past the 8-minute mark. I'm gonna stop dilly-daddling and hope you enjoy the video. But there are upcoming videos every single Friday or Saturday, depends how late I am, on this channel, at about 2 p.m. Australian Central Standard Time, unless this case happens where I'm super late and you're just gonna get a video whenever I push it out there. But yeah, no, other than that, I just burped a little bit, I'm sorry. But other than that, subscribe to the channel. Also, thank you for 100 subs again. Smash like on this video for a YouTube algorithm. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Blazetech. This ain't Blazetech. Blazetech is the channel. What are you talking about? This is Brandon from Blazetech. And I just want to thank every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. And thank you. I'm gonna go make a thumbnail.